Hello and welcome to the workshop. On today's episode, I'll be taking a piece of Australian Mallee Burl. I'm going to add a little bit of resin, put it on the lathe, and turn myself a beautiful lidded box. Now let's get to it. Now the first step in making this box is to shape my piece of burl so it fits in my container. The next step is to pick off any loose pieces of bark and then give it a clean up. It's now time to mix up my resin, and the resin I'm using for this one is a 2-part epoxy resin, and it's mixed at a ratio of 3:1. To give this box a galaxy feel, I'm adding some purple and blue mica powder. It's now time to put it in the pressure pot to cure overnight. That's Nicole you can hear in the background. She's buffing up some new eggs for the store. It's now time to glue on my waste block, and for that I'll be using a 2-part epoxy glue. It's now time for my favourite step, turning it on the lathe. I just want to quickly interrupt this video to let you guys know that I've got a bunch of new items in my Etsy store. I've got Rubik's balls, micarta eggs, I've got illusion eggs, I've got new keychains, pendants. There's a bunch of new items in there. So if you guys want to check them out at the end of this video, I'll leave a link in the description. Now let's get back to this box. I've decided that this box will be a jewellery box, and to help protect the jewellery, I'm going to flock it. We're now coming to the end of this build, and if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.